Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Spotify tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change the playlist name on Spotify. This is actually quite simple. First I open Spotify and here I already have all my playlists on the left. To rename a playlist on Spotify, I right click on the playlist and select Edit Details. A window opens with all the information about the playlist and I can change the name at the top. So let's do that very quickly. And once I've finished, I click on Save and I've renamed my playlist. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.